This tool will place dampers automatically on needed duct branches or ducts intersecting with linked walls. Select the needed elements or select the takeoff. Select the entire project or run on the selection recommended. Select to run on vertical or horizontal ducts. Select round or rectangular duct and select damper type. Select the distance between damper and takeoff when there is no wall intersection. Then OK. Then close it. The tool placed the dampers at the desired distance. Run the tool on vertical rectangular ducts. Run the tool on a round vertical duct and select by system. If the main and branch has the same size, the tool will not work. When the branching duct intersects with the linked wall, if the distance between the main duct and wall is less than the value, place the damper before the wall center by this value. The tools place the dampers as per the desired values. The tool will define shared parameters name, exclude _damper placement as yes or no parameters on duct fitting. If it is checked, it means no damper will be placed on the branch. After unchecking the parameter, you can select the connected elements or the takeoff only to run the tool.